Hello friends, so in this video, today I'm gonna show you how to connect SMTP to your CRMJIO account. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open email, click on your profile icon and click on manage your account. After that, your account details will be appear here. Scroll down and find security and sign in. Make sure two-step verification is turned on. After that, go into search bar and search app. Scroll down and find app password and click on it. Then it will require a password, so enter your account password and continue. After that, a new page will be appears here. So click on app name and enter your app name, like I have entered SMTP1. After that, click on create button and your password will appears here. Copy the password and go back to CRMJIO. Here in CRMJIO, you have to open business setup page and click on mail setting. So in SMTP host, type smtp.gmail.com and in SMTP port type 465 and in SMTP username you have to enter your same email ID. After that, click on SMTP password and paste the exact password which you have copied from the Gmail account. After that, select the security type SSL and click on save changes. And that's the easiest way to connect your SMTP to the CRMJIO. And also you can check out our other services and features on www.crmjio.com. Thanks for watching.